it's time to get this beast, dirty old thing, cleaned up from being the car coupe to now into a car again. Would be nice. We just came into the second bedroom and that to give it an airing, basically, because I've got guests coming. And I thought what I'll do is I'll just go and open the window and that. So that's what I did, just to get some fresh air. That's the farmer down there, that big misty bit. Just spreading some muck so the air's really fresh. Not too shabby up here in Scotland. So a couple of minutes, 40 minutes, 50 minutes up the road, and that you've got just beautiful beaches, just absolutely stunning. Look at it. Isn't it lush? And that's the other thing, apart from these two reprobates here, who are my mates, we've got the whole beach to ourselves. It's just stunning. Listening to that. Beautiful. Beautiful. Just beautiful.
That is breathtaking.
Just not allowed to be that beautiful in life, is it really? Look at that. And you can't see it. I can see. That's just fucking nuts. Because it's more than stunning. Storm Owen. Is it EOA? Ewan can do one, basically. It's taken the plastic roof off the chicken run because it was blowing easterly overnight, and we've not even got to the highest part of the storm today yet. And yeah, I've just been out there picking up all the plastic. The plastic's just brittle. It's not as good as that old asbestos stuff that just seemed to last forever. But this plastic is brittle because we've had really cold weather. I suppose it's got really, really cold. And then when the winds lifted it, it's just shattered at the screw points and come off. So that's blown off the roof, shattered and blown off the roof. It's actually taken the wood with it as well at one end. Yeah, that's a job for another day, but this is me just getting inside, and I'm gonna now go and have a shower and put out some more fires, I guess, and wait until the strongest part of the day, which is between 1 and 7, where it's going to be really blowing. So I don't know if you can see, but it's sheer, it's all snapped here, and that's what the problem is. It's that, and then when it finally goes over this, it then flaps off. I've had some damage on the coop, but at the end of the day, it's not finished. So we've lost this section of roof. It wasn't finished, and the wind was blowing easterly, and then it's come all the way around southerly, and yeah, it is what it is. It's just, there's nothing you can do about it. It's damage control now. It's a bit windy. Don't waste your trousers. So by tidying this area and helping me out, you've helped me manage to get this area all clear and squared away, and it just looks really nice now. sat here sunbathing. It's absolutely gorgeous. My face is so warm. I'm going to get sunburned. I'm not going to complain because that thing is keeping me motivated and I love it. It's not because it was on camera. What makes me perfectly contented? It's my little girl sitting on my lap. She makes me so happy. Cleaning my jumper. I love her. I've got a fair on the 15th of February. It's a craft and flea, and I've done one of those before. I did that at Coventry Cathedral and it was really good. So this is the first one that they're doing in Aberdeen, so fingers crossed, and that is a good one. I've got a stall there, so I'm going to be taking all my reusables along and hopefully they go down well.